Good morning, class. Activity 1, Part B. Let's start it now. Your weakness. What are your weaknesses, children? Kamzori. Or what are your personal traits that prevent you from being successful in your life, studies, sports, etc.? Children, what stops you from being successful to do better? I know that everybody wants to come first in the class, but what is stopping you? That you are not studying, that you are not able to concentrate, that you are not able to understand. What is the problem? What is the weakness? Kamzori. How do these weaknesses make you feel? And how you feel, children, when you see that this is the problem with me and I am not able to cope up with it? How do you feel, children? Like for the question 1, what my answer will be, what are my weaknesses that stops me from getting success, is that sometimes I am lazy and procrastination. Procrastination means, children, I leave the work on tomorrow, that tomorrow I will do this task. I know that I can do it now and it will be better if I'll do it now, but I do this mistake that I leave the work on tomorrow, that okay, I'll make the video tomorrow, okay, I will learn this chapter tomorrow, okay, I will study tomorrow, I will go there tomorrow, I will bring that thing tomorrow. This is my weakness. What is your weakness? You have to find out that. And how I feel when I do this, I feel very bad when I realize that I am doing wrong, because it is better that I should do the work today in time. Then what do you want to change about yourself and why? Children, I know no one is perfect. Everybody has got something or the other which he or she wants to change in himself. What do you want to change in yourself, children? That I don't like this thing of mine, I want to change it, and why? For example, what I want to change in myself. Children, I am giving my example because so that you can understand it and answer, then you can answer for yourself. So what do you want to change about yourself that is stopping you from being successful, or you don't like about yourself? Like, first of all, children, learn to accept yourself. Okay, the way I am, the way I look, whatever is my personality, I like it. But still I don't like this thing about myself and I want to change it. Like, I don't like getting up late about myself. I don't like lying to people. When I speak a lie, I hate myself. So like this, you can tell me what you want to change about yourself. What kind of situations make you feel helpless or frustrated? Helpless means, children, when you want to help but you are not able to help, and you can't help, and frustrated because bhadas type ki I want to do this but I'm not able to do this. So what situations, children, make you feel helpless? I feel helpless, children, when I see people in poverty, ignorance, and I am not able to change their mindset that they can do better, they can make a better life than this, but they are not doing just because they are being lazy and ignorant. This thing hurts me a lot. If you could change 2 things about yourself, what would they be? If you get a chance to change 2 things about yourself, children, what would they be? If God comes to you and says, okay, I will change this, or a fairy comes to you that I will change these 2 things, any 2 things which you ask me, then what 2 things you would like to change in yourself? Think, children, and answer them. Part C will do our next video.